Hey guys, this is Lavanya. Today's agenda is JavaScript variable. What is variable? How to declare a variable? Difference between var, let and const. We will discuss these things now. So, firstly, I need to tell you I'm using Visual Studio Code as an editor, and you can use Atom or even a Sublime text editor. That's fine. So, but in initial days of JavaScript, we used to write a code in script tag and we used to run it on a browser and we used to check the logics in console. But now we have a Node.js as a runtime environment for JavaScript where we can run the JavaScript file like like other files like Java. We run it on a command prompt. So likewise, we can run JavaScript now in command prompt. So you can do that by just going to website nodejs.org, go to downloads, and you can select the one which is suitable for your operating system and the hardware requirements. And now you are ready to code. So we can create a file called variable, just that it will be convenient to like variable.js. So I have created a file. So now I will give, like as usual, we will see everywhere in every programming language, we will see hello world. So we will start with that. It's console.log, just type hello world. So console.log will print anything you are giving inside the codes in a command prompt or in a console. So just click Control S. It will save the file and you can see terminal here. Go click on the terminal, go to new terminal. Yes, you will get a terminal down here and you will be on the right path. So just type node and the file name and enter. So you can see we have successfully run the JavaScript file in command prompt using Node.js. So now let's begin analyzing our agenda. That's what is a variable and how to declare it. So basically imagine variable is a small set of small unit of a memory that stores a value. So variable is a memory unit that holds a value. So I can give a practical example like um, yeah, you can go to amazon.com or any e-commerce website. We get cart, right? So we can select any of the gadget. Okay, I will set the computers and accessories to select anything you wish. Mhm. Okay. So here, if I select this item for add to cart, so I have 0 items in a cart, but when I click on add to cart, I can see it's been added successfully. And when I go to cart, there should be something that holds this value right away, right? Because it was 0 and when I click on it, it's storing something. So the process of the storing some value or some data is called a is it's a activity of variable now. So variable has the capacity to hold a value. So this is one of the practical example and we have many variables in a project. So this is one of it. And now we will see like how to declare it. Yeah, we can start by using var, a variable name is equal to value. So this will be the syntax of how to declare a variable. So we can use var, let or const. Before ES6 edition, we used to have only var. But after ES6 edition, like in a previous video, I have told about ES6 like ES features while talking about ECMAScript. So you can go to the previous video and you can check it out what is ECMAScript and what are the additions of it. And here we will check what is ES6 benefits here. So during ES5 time we used to have only var. After ES6 release we have got let and const. So we can declare variables now in three different ways. That is var, like I'll give variable name as myvar is equal to 1 as its value. So I'll try to print this value using console.log of myvar without double quotes. That is, we need the value of the variable, so we need to give just a variable name and just control is, and you can again give the node file name, and we can see the value of the variable as 1. So now we need to check. This happens with same with let and const also. There will be no difference. If you declare it as a let, we will get the same output, whether it's a let or const. But the main differences we need to understand. So let's jump into that. So what can be the differences now? So we will comment this out. So first point will be like how to like redeclare the variables. Some projects we actually need to like redeclare the variables. Redeclaration simply means that you have already declared and you have assigned a name for that variable, and again you need to change the value of it, or you need to override the value of the variable. Then which type of the declaration of variable will like give support for this redeclaration? So we need to check that. So first we will check with var. As usual, my var is equal to 1, and we know as usual like dot log of my var will give the same output. But I'm trying to like redeclare it var with the same variable name my var is equal to giving a new value 10. And now I'll try to print the variable my var. And I'm hoping that there is nothing rocket science and we need to get the values here. We will check node variable objects. Yes, we got 1 and 10. So first we are giving 1, and next we are assigning a new value which is overwriting it, and we are getting 10. So what if I comment this console.log? What can be the output? We will check. So like it's overwriting the same. Like if you imagine my var as a box, firstly you are putting paper with which is having a value 1, and then you're thinking that you need to throw that paper out of it, and you need to place a new letter into the myvar box, so that the new letter will have the value called 10. So you're obviously like rewriting the memory for the myvar. So we will save the file, and we need to get the output 10. That is 1 is been overwritten by 10. And now, is this similar way, will this work with let and const? We will check. I will comment this out for you and we will try. Let mylet is equal to 10 console dot log of mylet, the variable name. So again, I'm trying to redeclare the same way as I did for var. Let mylet is equal to 20. And then again, I'm trying to print the value. And I'm saving the file. Just go. Yes, you can see the error. It tells mylet has already been declared. That means using let, you cannot redeclare a variable. Only you can redeclare using var, but not using let. This is one of the difference between var and let. This works similar way with const also. Like we know, const is like constant value. Throughout the program, it will be a constant value. It won't get changed at all. But again, I will show you guys. So we will try like const my const is equal to, I give 100 and I will try console.log of my const, and I'm trying to make change to the constant variable, which is not legal. Console.log of my const, and I'm saving the file. Just go down, give node and file name. Again, you will get the error called identifier my const has already been declared. So you cannot redeclare let and const, but you can redeclare var. So just we will comment this out. And now we will go for the second point, that is, so we will go with the example. I will use function to show you this. Function my fun. This is how you basically like write a function block. So inside this, I will declare a variable using var. My var is equal to, this time we will give a string value saying good morning, and we will give some constant variable called time is equal to 12 if my time is equal to 12. Just for an example, if this is equal to 12, then I will reassign my var is equal to good afternoon. So this line is for reassigning. So I'm trying to like declare variable here. If for some condition I need to like reassign the variable value. So I need to check on this whether this reassigning will work with the var declaration or not. So anything I need to print on console. So console.log of the function name. You can call like this. And simply save the file. Go to command prompt. Use node file name. it's undefined. Okay, why it's undefined? Okay, I'm not returning a value. Just return my var, right? We need to return to the function call. So again, we'll start. Yes, we have got good afternoon. So this is reassignment. For the variable declared with a var type, we will check with let. Just to save time, I'm changing it here, making it let. That's it. And I'm saving the file. And using var, we got good afternoon. But using let, we get again good afternoon. That means var and let is working fine with reassigning. So you can reassign using let and var. So obviously constant is a constant value. We can't change the value during any point of time in the program, but still we will try. Save the file and executing it. Yes, we got an error that assignment to constant variable, it's a type error. We can see here it's for good afternoon where we have reassigned it. So this is the second point. I will comment this out. And we will go for the third point, which is very important, that is hoisting. Hoisting simply means going one scope out and looking for the variables declared. So like again we can take a function and simply we will term given condition if true. Again, this is also an ES6 feature where we can give a true or false value. We can talk about in the later videos. And here, just I will declare my var, my var as a variable is equal to hello guys. And if I am trying to print before the declaration of it in the program itself, what can happen? We will see. My var. I'm just saving a file. You can see here I just need to return it, return my var, and I need to print on console, that is my var. Yes, now we are ready. You can save the file and just go to command prompt and type now. And we can see here it's before it enter the condition it was undefined, and when it enter the condition we can see hello guys, because when it enters here it has been assigned to the variable myvar, and then it's returning the myvar, that is it's been overwritten for undefined, and it has become hello guys as a new variable, and that's been returning from this function. So will this work same way with let and const? We need to check it out. Let, just changing let keyword, saving it, and we will check. Yes, the hoisting is not supported for let. My var is not defined, right? So we can my var here has been declared with let, but it is not getting hoisted anywhere. So again it is telling var is totally it's not defined in the function at all. So it's not getting hoisted. Hoisted is like you're going one scope out of it and checking for it, right? So we don't have any access out of the block here. So this myvar will get its scope ended in this before this curly braces itself. So this applies with const also. We will check now. Const myvar, just save, run it. We can see the error. Myvar is not defined again. So hoisting is supported with var declaration, not with let and const. So these are the three main differences with var, let and const, guys. If you find this video useful, please like, subscribe and comment, and thank you guys.